How to fix Life360 app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your app store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Life360, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Then at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch it and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading to our sync solution, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Life360, then open it, then click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your app store, search for the app Life360. After app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Life360 app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.